Alright, day 3 now. New day. Today, planning to go to downtown Banff again and then do that Tunnel Mountain hike that I walked on the bottom of 2 days ago, and then just walk around downtown Banff, maybe the shops and stuff, and then there's a cute cafe I wanted to check out, and then we're going to end the day by going to the Upper Banff Hot Springs. So I got my swimmers. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I've just arrived at the bottom of Tunnel Mountain and already disaster because I realized I forgot my headphones. So we're gonna be raw dogging today. Just gonna be toughing it out, I guess. I honestly considered driving half an hour back and then half an hour back here. So 1 hour, just my headphones. I was like, that's silly. He'll survive. Anyways, this is the walk up to the bottom of Tunnel Mountain Trail. Okay, we're halfway there. The jacket had to come off. It's overheating, but look, the view is already so nice. So let's keep going. Wow, look. I think we're almost there. Maybe like 10 more minutes. Guys, we made it. We made it to the very top. And there's 2 chairs for me. It only took like 45 minutes, so not too bad. But whoever said the elevation was 70 meters lied. It's a lot more than 70 meters. This is the summit. It was actually 30 meters higher, but wow, really nice. Really pretty. Let's go to the other side and see. We started our descent and we're just at, it's like a 2-minute walk down and we can see the other side of the mountain. This is the view from the other side of the mountain. And it just looks so fake. Like, that mountain does not look real. It looks photoshopped. Down there, I think this is the golf course. And then this is Bow River. Wow. Alright, let's go back down now. We've made it back down now. It only took like 1 hour and 15 minutes in total, including the time I took up there taking photos, which was like, I'd say like 15 minutes. So not too bad. The descent was a lot faster though. Now we're going to head to downtown Banff. There's 2 places I want to check out. One of them is a bakery called, I forgot what it's called. But there's another cafe I also want to check out called Good Earth. So we'll head there and maybe grab some snacks. This is the cafe I was talking about. Good Earth. It's very cozy. I ended up getting that hot chocolate, part of their hot chocolate trail, the coconut stream. This is it. So it's like coconut syrup and coconut flakes and whipped cream. Alright, let's try it. It's very good. Very coconut tea. It's also like white chocolate. Based off white chocolate, so it's like, it's white. We've just left Good Earth, been walking for 5 minutes, and we're here at Wildflower Bakery. So let's check it out. Look at this cute snow mound right outside. It's really cute. Alright, I got a gingerbread latte and this jalapeno cheese muffin. And the guy, the cashier, was telling me that on the 17th there'll be a snow day and they're building snow sculptures on the street right now, so I guess I have to come back. Plus he said on the weekend there's gonna be like a cowboy festival. It's where he said that the horses are pulling the steers on the back, so I guess I'll have to come back on the weekend to see that. But let's try this gingerbread latte. Interesting. Let's try this. It's not pretty good. We're just in Herschel now. Look how clean their merch, their Banff souvenir. What do you call it? The Banff merch is. Alright, we're just walking around Banff Avenue and we're like looking at all the souvenir shops, but I realised I literally cannot buy anything because my suitcase is still like 20 kilos over. But nonetheless, it's still fun to have a look. Look. So cute, but it's like $20. I mean, these are like kind of cute as well. I like the colour. I love how the streets and the buildings are all made out of these like wooden lodge material. Like, look how nice just the walk is. Stunning. Oh, okay, we're at just got to the Upper Banff Hot Springs. We're gonna suss it out. We've got around 2 hours to spend here. So I've heard good things, so hopefully. So these are the hot springs. Stunning. The sun's setting at the moment as well. Dude, it's actually unreal. Holy, let me take you closer. Literally stop. Oh my god. Whoa. Holy shit, man. That was actually unreal. The sunset. It's gone now. Well, actually it's still kind of there. But anyways, to get in here, it was around $17 AUD. And then for Chow Hai it was another $2. So in total it was $19.75. It also includes a token to lock your locker once. Wow, very nice. It's getting kind of dark now, 5:30, and then up there is cafe. I'll go up there once I get out of here. This is the view from up here. We're heading back now to home. That was honestly very refreshing. I only stayed there for like, I think an hour and a half. I started overheating, but watching the sunset while there was absolutely magical.